that came from the taxes of the community at the drop of franchising in Pasay Samar!
The Cavite Town Center in Pasay Samar was completed in 2023, located in Barangay Buscada, Pasay Samar. It serves as a retail and commercial hub in the area. It can be found here, Mr. DIY, BDO, and Rose Pharmacy just in the first floor of the town center.
The Settlement Agent store in Pasay Samar was established in 2024 and provides convenience services to the local community. Also, located in Barangay Buscada, Pasay Samar. We practice the completed housing units to the Pasay Point F, Barangay Tingin Pasay and Samar as part of the various administration's efforts to fulfill the housing needs of super typhoon Yolanda victims. The Pasay Municipal Hall was built for the employees of the local government unit in Barangay Tingin Pasay Samar.
The Pasay Shore Protection was established with the local government this year. The purpose of this project was to protect much artifacts such as buildings and infrastructures in Pasay Samar and also to reduce the risk of flooding and creating defenses to hold rains.
The Sport Samar program is a musical campaign initiated by Governor Sharon Santos in collaboration with the local government units such as provincial, city, municipal, private sectors, and national. They launched the recent campaign Sport Samar in 2015. The provincial government was able to get funding from the national government with the help of the Department of Environment and National Resources, as well as the Department of Tourism. The legend of the story of Unang Sakit has been cherished for generations in Pasay, inspiring Venezuela's Moro-Moro performances, poetry contests in both the Spanish and Gaelic vernacular. The story begins with Cadico and Kilanda, a childless couple from the village of Gome, and now we call it Barangay Magallanes, who find an unwanted white baby, possibly albino, and name her Unang Sakit, which means fruit of sorrows or sacrifices.
Japanese pronounce our word "sako" or welcome as "sao." Back then, people used to name as "sao kid." Sao kid served as a hideout of the Filipinos during the World War II. The weavers have the Banwa Association or the Bashao Nature Weavers of Association. There are a lot of certificate of recognition for their work of art. With the support of LGU, they give them equipment for the mat weaving to work and finish easily.
The Tangsuan River Cruise is one of the three tourism circuits introduced by the province of Samar to highlight its cultural and scenic treasures. It has played a significant role in the history of the ancient town of Pasay Samar. The local government unit of Pasay Samar opened its river cruise to tourists to let them witness its beauty and relaxing view, boost their tourism, and provide more income to its community.
Tara na! Pakadto kita hamabaysay nga lugaran Samar.
Welcome to the Babaysay Municipal of Pasay.
Welcome to Pasay Samar!
Pinongtuan Ilog River.